Cluck Cluck Spa and Resort.
That sounds better to me.
Yeah.
It's a spa first.
Spa and Resort for the chickens.
For the chickaroos.
Take about 14 pallets to build the walls on the coop. And Rob's putting old plywood down that we salvaged. And that will be the chicken coop floor.
No real wiggle to the... Okay, now let's try this wall. No wiggle at all.
Whoa, look at that.
Try this wall.
Well, I got to get over to that wall.
Come on, walk well. And this wall, solid.
Solid,
It's
huh?
only hooked on two little boards there.
Oh, yeah.
On both ends of here.
Yeah.
Pallets. These ones turn this way. Screwed together, screwed down there. And a one plate on top only. And then this is blank with 2x4s across to hook the pallets together. This part's open. This is two pallets. You can see them sitting side by side, screwed there, screwed down, and this plate coming over the top of this plate. This side, I've already put on 2x4s inside of the holes so we can hook to it. And this one has just the one plate. And this one's going to at least get one or maybe two more plates.
With the very tip top, right?
Over the top of that, right. Probably that. And then we'll put the roof on. And inside, we got locks.
I'm running.
Okay. And we got the locks on the outside. Chickens need keys to get out. We come in, we got plywood floor. You can see just the one top plate up there. I didn't finish to the end. There's where the hooks go. And here's our door on the wire. If you want the window down, we just let the window down.
Yeah.
And if we want it all the way, you gotta go inside though to turn the window down. Because the locks are on backward. But we should have that on this side.
Yes.
We can have a little peeve out. Okay, what are you boys doing in there? It's supposed to be a secret how it happened.
Pretty ingenious, honey. Yeah.
Looking so good.
It is looking so good. We got a roof on it.
Yeah.
Well, soon we will have our Cluck Cluck Resort and Spa. Right now we're getting the roof on. As you can tell, it's all from old stuff that's been laying around or that we salvaged and found. And soon we'll get the run and it'll be finished. Look at me, Grandpa and Ella. Wave!
See, this is the tar paper, this is thick. Usually it's about half this thickness.
Wow.
What's that?
What are you putting on now?
Roofing shingles?
Roofing shingles. I was going to say tile, and I knew that wasn't right.
I got in trouble as a little kid for climbing on top of the roof of an elementary school. And me and a little kid were breaking these off the roof of the elementary school, throwing them at cars as they drove by. And I forget what happened, but I ended up getting in trouble.
Lots of trouble. You didn't get suspended, huh?
No, the cops, I believe the cops came to the house, or they called you or something.
Yeah. You were a little kid.
Police. Yeah, elementary.
Hey,
Are you filming?
I'm a filming.
Don't tell nobody, but I should have used the other side. So it's a lot of hammering. You have to hit it multiple times. You got to hit the screw. Not a screw, but a nail. And sometimes if you miss, you hit your fingers and it hurts. And I got a little owie from here from the drill. But it's almost all finished.
Show me your owie.
It's in the dark, it's hard to see it.
Okay.
But yeah, that was a good one. That hurt. Took the skin right off.
They will.
But I think I'll live. But yeah,
You'll
it's
live.
almost done. I'm so excited that we got all this for scraps. I mean, pretty awesome. I mean, the chickens should get no water on their heads while they're sleeping.
So this is the very end over here, right?
Pretty much, yeah. I'm taking it right there, then cleaning up the edges, and we're done.
We're gonna cut the edges. So don't it look pretty from up there? Honey?
It does. The colors are pretty on
And
it.
we only ran out of red. Dang it. Well, I'm glad we didn't run out of like 2 colors. At least we have a white, a red, and a brown. And now right here it goes from brown, white, brown, white, brown, white, brown, white, brown.
Aha, it'll still look good.
It does.
What?
It'll look good as you fly by an airplane.
The airplanes flying above will love it.
And then tomorrow we're going to the river.
Going to the river.
Going to the river.
And it's dark, guys. We got the flash on. We'll get finished with this tonight. Now, you said you smashed your finger earlier.
No, I was lucky I haven't. These are a little bit longer tacks.
Oh, yeah?
It's nice because I don't smash my fingers with the real small, short ones. They tend to get smashed. These are long enough where they just fit right between my fingers. So that way I can actually tack it, get my fingers out of the way. And you're done. I'm just putting a little bit more around the edges because of the high winds. I don't want it to rip off. So I could definitely say the roofing job was a success. For free materials, free supplies to do the roof, able to use the chicken pallets, the regular pallets for the chicken coop, some recycled plywood. That door came off like a mobile home or something, but we're able to recycle that, which is pretty awesome. But if you see the black tent next to the door, that's some shade cloth that was added to a new, used, remade new greenhouse. All those 2x4s were 2x4s and 4x6s that were cut to make a greenhouse. But look at that view. Beautiful view, right? I was down there by the river today on the other side over there in Laughlin area, and it was over 104 up here. It has a nice little breeze going. The sun just dropped behind the mountains. And these little tired guys here, those are going to be flower beds. And then we're doing one over here too.